Okay, children, we stopped with this. Let's help him. I told you any sentence started with the letters is treated as a suggestion. In such conditions, you need not see whether that sentence is a positive sentence or a negative sentence. అంటే పాజిటివ్ అయితే నెగిటివ్ రాయాలి, నెగిటివ్ అయితే పాజిటివ్ రాయాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ మటుకు ఇన్ దిస్ సెంటెన్స్, because the sentence is a suggestion, it is started with the letters. In such cases, you need not see whether that sentence is positive or negative. కళ్ళు మూసుకుని లెటర్స్తో ఏ సెంటెన్స్ ఉన్నా ద కామన్ ఆన్సర్ రాసేయండి. షాల్ వి. లెటర్స్ నాట్ హెల్ప్ హిమ్ అన్నా కూడా షాల్ వి రాసేయండి. లెటర్స్ హెల్ప్ హిమ్ అన్నా కూడా షాల్ వి రాసేయండి. వై? ఇట్ బికాస్ it is a suggestion, because that sentence is started with letters. సో అలాంటి సందర్భాల్లో ఏం చేయాలంటే కామన్ ఆన్సర్ కళ్ళు మూసుకుని షల్వి రాసేయండి. ఎప్పుడు రాయాలి కళ్ళు మూసుకుని షల్వి? ఇఫ్ ద సెంటెన్స్ ఈజ్ స్టార్టెడ్ విత్ లెటర్స్. డోంట్ సీ వెదర్ దట్ సెంటెన్స్ ఈజ్ ఎ పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఆర్ ఏ నెగిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్. అండ్ I told you that again we'll go to a semi-negative. He barely laughs. So he barely laughs means it's negative. He never laughs any. So barely is a semi-negative. Hardly is a semi-negative. Seldom is a semi-negative. And few is a semi-negative. Little is a semi-negative. Because this sentence, so ఈ sentence లో barely and semi-negative ఉంది కాబట్టి this sentence should be treated as a negative sentence, and you write the positive tag. Laugh, laughed, laugh, laughed, laughed, laughing, laughs. V5 లో ఉంది కాబట్టి does plus he plus question mark. Does he? Why does he? Because this sentence is semi-negative. Because this sentence is having a semi-negative. The sentences which are having semi-negatives, they always take a positive tag, because semi-negatives will act as negatives. Semi-negatives అన్నా negatives అన్నా ఒకటే. So that's why the sentences which are having semi-negatives always takes a future positive tag. I am once again repeating, the sentences which are having semi-negatives, they will take a future positive tag. What is meant by future positive tag? Sorry, not that is. So I got that. Does he? And here imperative sentences I am telling you. Stand up. Stand up. Actually, it is an imperative sentence. How can we say in imperative sentences? Imperative sentences, 90% they will not be having subject. The subject is understood you. So if class is going on, one student is chit-chatting with another fellow, the teacher may ask him, get up or stand up. So stand up means you stand up. So what is meant by imperative sentences? All the requests, commands and orders, they are treated as imperative sentences. So imperative sentences kuda, you need not see whether the imperative sentence is a positive sentence or a negative sentence. You have to write the future positive tag. That's what I confused. Now I am telling you future positive tag. Eppudu future positive tag? All the imperative sentences, request, bring me a glass of water, will you? Stand up on the bench, will you? Get out of the class, will you? Close your books, will you? Stop talking, will you? Get out, will you? Shut up, will you? So all these are imperative sentences, and you need not see whether the sentence is a positive or a negative. Write blindly, will you. దేనికి బ్లైండ్గా రాస్తాం? హియర్ కామన్ ఆన్సర్స్ అంటే సజెషన్స్, లెటర్స్ హెల్ప్ హిమ్ అన్నది సజెషన్ కాబట్టి అలాంటి కేసు ఫర్ ఎనీ సజెషన్ యూ రైట్ బ్లైండ్లీ షల్ వి ఆన్సర్. For any imperative sentence, you can write blindly, the answer will you. Again I will write, close the books. Close the books, will you. Get out. Will you. Open your books. Shut up. Will you. Get out of the class. Get out of the class. Will you. So here I have drawn 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. These are all imperative sentences. For all these imperative sentences, only one answer, the common answer. You need not see whether it is a positive sentence or whether it is a negative sentence. Blindly write the answer. Shut up, will you. Open your books, will you. Close your eyes, will you. Okay, let us do some other exercises. I think I have made you to understand the question tags properly. We will do some exercises, both positive and negative sentences. A positive sentence takes a negative tag and a negative sentence takes a positive tag. So in the question tags, proper nouns should not be repeated. All the imperative sentences will take shall, all the imperative sentences will take will you, and all the sessions take shall we. And if any sentence contains semi-negative, that sentence should be treated as a negative sentence, and ultimately that sentence takes a positive tag. We must serve our country. Here must is helping verb and serve is main verb. I told you is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must. మస్ట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మస్ట్ యొక్క హెల్ప్ తీసుకోండి. కామా, ద స్టేట్మెంట్ అండ్ ద ట్యాగ్ షుడ్ బి ఆల్వేస్ సపరేటెడ్ విత్ ఏ కామా. సో మస్ట్ ప్లస్ నెగిటివ్ ప్లస్ మస్టెంట్, మస్ట్ నాట్ అనకూడదు, మస్టెంట్. Mustn't we? The answer is mustn't we? Next, we We ought to. We ought to help her. I told you, ought is also a special verb. Ought plus negative plus oughtn't, oughtn't, oughtn't we, oughtn't we. She will visit us tomorrow. Will is special verb. Will plus not is equal to విలెంట్ కాదమ్మా won't అన్నారు. విల్కి నెగిటివ్ ఫామ్ ఏంటి? నాట్ విలెంట్, won't. సో won't she? Won't she? They won't. They won't help us. Here, won't means will plus not. Won't means will plus not. Will plus not is equal to not willent. Won't. So that's why take the help of. So ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ తీసేయండి. Because it's a negative sentence, negative should not be repeated. A negative sentence takes a positive tag but not a negative tag. That is the reason when a negative sentence is given, first what you have to do, you have to strike up the negative. So, will they? Will they is the answer. They are not clever. So strike up the negative. Are plus pronoun plus are plus pronoun plus question mark. They could not answer my question. They could not answer my question. Again, strike up the negative. Any negative sentence is given. First, what we have to do? We have to remove the negative. Strike off the negative. Negative strike off చేస్తే ఏం మిగిలింది? Could మిగిలింది. Could plus pronoun plus could plus pronoun plus question mark. The answer is could they. They couldn't answer my question. It is a negative sentence. Because it is a negative sentence, strike off the negative. And what is left if we strike off the negative? Could is remained. Take the help of could. Could plus pronoun plus question mark. So the answer is could they. She does not speak French. Remove the negative. Does plus pronoun plus question mark. Does she? The answer is does she. Jack and Jill didn't pass. Strike off the negative. What is left? Did is left. Jack and Jill, are they one or two? Two. Because we have to write a plural pronoun. Did they? Did they? They won't attend. They won't attend the meeting. They won't attend the meeting. So won't means will plus not. So the answer is will they. It's because it's a negative sentence. I striked off negative. She should not tell. She should not tell lies. Remove the negative because it's a negative sentence. In all the negative sentences, whenever a negative sentence is given in the exam, remove the negative first. So what is left if we remove the negative? Should plus, what is the pronoun? Should she? Should she? Let us go to the party. Suggestion. Any sentence started with letters. Common answer. Shall we? We need not see whether it is a positive or negative. When we have not to, when we should not, when we need not see any sentence started with let or any imperative sentence. In the case of imperative sentences and in the questions of suggestions, we need not see whether that sentence is a positive sentence or a negative sentence. For imperative sentences, the common answer is will you. For suggestions, the common answer is shall we. For all the imperative sentences ki ఒకే ఆన్సరు. ఏం ఆన్సరు? Will you. For all the suggestions, common answer is shall we. It was a cold day. So it is a positive sentence. That's why it takes the help of negative. So take the help of was. Was plus negative. Wasn't. Wasn't it? He came late. So here helping verb is not there, but come came come. వీటిలో ఉంది కాబట్టి did తీసుకోండి. Because it's a positive sentence, it takes a negative. Didn't he? Didn't he? 38. They didn't score. They didn't score any goal. Here remove the negative because it's a negative sentence. Did plus pronoun plus question mark. Did they? it won't it won't rain. Remove the negative. Won't means will plus not is equal to won't. So the answer is will plus it plus question mark. Will it. It won't rain. The answer is will it. He doesn't quarrel. He doesn't quarrel with anyone. He doesn't quarrel with anyone. Negative descent. What remained? Does. Does plus pronoun. What is the pronoun? He plus question mark. So what is the answer? Does he. She did not come late. Remove the negative. Did plus pronoun plus question mark. I don't know French. Remove the negative. What is left? Do. Do I. Do I is the answer. Because it's a negative sentence, we have removed the negative. Let us go to the beach. This sentence is started with letters, so the common answer is shall we. He is very kind. He is very kind. It is a positive sentence. Helping verb is there. Is plus negative plus isn't he. I won. I won the election. So there is no special verb in it. What is meant by special verb? Is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, use it to, dare to, ought not, ought to, and need. These are all called as special verbs. But there is no special verb. Main verb is there. What is the main verb? One is the main verb. One is V2. Win, won, won. So take the help of did. Did plus negative plus didn't I. Don't forget to put a question mark. Tom was not there. Tom was not. Tom was not there. Remove the negative because it's a negative sentence. Was plus, will you write Tom? We should not write the proper noun. Instead of proper noun, we have to write a pronoun. Was he? Was he? she hasn't, hasn't అన్నా has not అన్నా ఒకటే. She hasn't paid her fees. She hasn't paid her fees. Remove the negative. So the answer is has plus pronoun plus question mark. She doesn't look, she doesn't look well. Remove the negative. Does plus pronoun plus, what is the pronoun? Does plus pronoun plus question mark. Mary didn't pass, Mary didn't pass the exam. Remove the negative. What is left? If you remove the negative, did is left. Did plus, should not write the name. Did she, did she. They would steal, they would steal the money. So here it is a positive sentence. The helping verb is there, would. So would plus negative plus, would plus negative is equal to wouldn't. Wouldn't they? Wouldn't they? So I hope children that you have understood question tags. A positive sentence takes a negative tag and a negative sentence takes a positive tag. When we are writing question tags, we have to see whether that sentence is in positive or negative. If it is a positive sentence, we have to add the negative. If it is a negative sentence, we have to remove the negative. పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ టేక్స్ ఏ నెగిటివ్ ట్యాగ్ అంటే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకండి. పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్లో పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ టేక్స్ ఏ నెగిటివ్ ట్యాగ్ అంటే అర్థం ఏంటంటే పాజిటివ్ ట్యాగ్లో క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ రాసే ముందు అందులో నెగిటివ్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. దట్ నెగిటివ్ షుడ్ బి ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్ ద కాంట్రాక్టెడ్ ఫామ్, నాట్ ఫుల్ ఫామ్లో రాయకూడదు. ఎంట్, వజంట్, వరెంట్, కాంట్, don't, will, won't, shan't, mustn't, oughtn't, usedn't, mightn't, mustn't. So negative should not be written in the full form. Okay. Good evening, teachers. Good evening, students. I hope you clearly understood. 2 days I have taken. I told nearly 100 sentences. I hope everyone must have understood. So thank you very much.